Okay, just getting started here on the number 8 Monte Carlo. We're going to start by painting it. So what I've done is I've done some tests on the colors on the spray cans that I have in stock, and those are the names of the paints, and I'll just give you 4 guesses on which one I'm going to use. So we'll be using Rustoleum, and I can't remember the name of, oh, I've got it right here. This is Sunrise Red, and we are about to paint the body. I've already got the underside of the hood is painted silver, and so we are going to concentrate on the top coat here. Looks like there's going to be no need for any kind of clear coat or anything. That's just 2 coats of Rustoleum. So the body is in fantastic shape. There's no flash, and it's really hard to even see the seam line, but there it is right there if you can see it. So I'll just sand that off really quick. There's another one right on the corner. They put it in a good place. Be easy to sand that off. So I'll quickly sand those off and go shoot this in a nice coat of red, and then we'll come back. Okay, so there we go. We got it painted. That was about 2 hours ago, and I'm quite happy. I'll just break away for a second here. As I was mentioning, it's Rustoleum Sunrise Red. Seems to be the Earnhardt Red. I will, yeah, at the end here I'll hold the box up to it and you can decide for yourself. But I will just show you around it. So definitely a good start to it, and the hood is down here. Trying to get it a little bit into the light. A couple little things flew into the hood, but considering the size of the decal that goes on there, won't be that noticeable. So there we go. I'm afraid that is pretty much it. Oh yeah, let me get the box. And there's the box. The box, the car, the box, the car. I don't know, I suppose the real car is just a shade darker. But it'll do. Anyway, I'm afraid that's it for this episode. I got nothing else put together. Just wanted to make sure I got the body painted since so many things go on it. It needs to be painted before I start. So here we go. We're off and running. Appreciate you watching.